Hello everyone! We stayed at Adelina Hotel and Suites for my post-birthday celebration. February 2024 na siya nahitabo, and as you can see, this is one of the most beautiful hotels in Mati City, Davao Oriental. So Mati is my hometown, and I'll give you a quick tour of the room.
Sa right, there is the comfort room. It has a shower, the toilet, and there's the vanity mirror. Hi, Te! It's clean. Naapod siya yung mga complimentary na kits na ay blow dry. I like the details. And when you go out from the CR, naa din na ilahang space for your things, na yung mga hanger. And then this one. We got a deluxe room, duha ka double bed. Double size na beds. Napad ay mirror diri. And the mirror is so huge. And then, sila'y TV. Again, nice kaayo ang mga accents nila.
Wow.
TV. And a chair. And another very huge vanity mirror. Dako kayo lang mga salamin, no? Pati sa elevator, dako kayo. And ang among window, ang view sa among window is, wow! Perfect! Dira dito ang ko ano. Ang uy. Sleeping Dino. That's the Sleeping Dino.
I want to see that. Where's my food?
So this is the car that we rented from JM&M. Thank you so much, Mami Joanne and sa iyang hubby for allowing us to rent this vehicle. We feel safe, of course, sa pagbiyahe ka ganyan, bisag kusog kaayo ang ulan. Thank you so much. And if you guys also want or if you are also looking for a car rental service in Davao City, within Davao region, you can PM them on their Facebook page. Okay na, and then on the first night, we had a quick dinner with my high school best friends. We have Imang, Sanith, and Julie. And naapod din na ang husband ni Sanith, of course, and the kids. So, we stayed in the room. Gi-allow man mi sa hotel to stay here. Actually, let me just share that this room is a deluxe room. I don't know if na-explain na ako kagani as a room tour, but this is really a good hotel. A good room, I mean. Ayan, so the kids had a bead making session. Gibit-bit yun na niya na para naa sila time for bonding with the other kids. So there you go. Yana is teaching them how to do it. And here's Kuya Miggy showing us his talent. So listen to him.
I like Michael Jackson because he is my favorite king of pop.
You want to be the king of pop?
Yeah. I
Oh.
want to be the king of pop.
Oh!
Because I already learned how to moonwalk.
Oh!
Like that.
How did you discover Michael Jackson?
Because
Where did you see Michael Jackson?
in USA, Michael Jackson lived in Los Angeles, California in America. Then, because he has so many albums to 1970s to 2014.
Oh. To 2014 jud ay no. Gani ako pod.
Because he is the best singer. Because the brothers from Michael Jackson is Randy Jackson, Jermaine Jackson, Jackie Jackson, and Tito Jackson, and Marlon Jackson. And also the Michael Jackson's daughter was Paris Catherine Jackson. And then Michael Jackson's idol was James Brown. And also Michael Jackson's sister was Lisa and Rebby. And also there are lots of people to join from the singer like that.
Wow. Samtang si Shadi, K-pop. Michael Jackson, King of Pop ang iya. K-pop, King of Pop.
And on our second day, so this is our view from the window sa fifth floor, fourth floor. Nakalimut ko which floor is this, but makita dyan ang view from the outside. Makita nimo even ang Puhada. So going down, excited kaayo ko ani because it's going to be our first time trying their buffet breakfast. Yes, buffet gyud siya. And let me just say that this elevator has a very good scent. This is their dining area buffet, and I like the prints, the lines, the details. Of course, I like the food. Completo recados. From the fried rice to ayun, bulad. Kalamian ng adanggit bulad. And adobong sitaw. We also have here I forgot what is this, but it looks like adobo. Chicken adobo, bola-bola. This is really good. This bola-bola is really good. And then the sausage, of course. And the loaf bread. There you go. And this is my favorite part. Nandiri ang salad. The pastries, of course. I think I got everything here. And everything was lami. So here's us having our breakfast as a family of 4 here at Adelina Hotel and Suites. This is a family-friendly hotel, child-friendly hotel, which I can really recommend when you go to Mati. If you have the budget, of course. We stayed here for 1 night only. Ayan. Because, of course, I want my family to experience the comfort and I want us to try para dili maigno si Yana ba? That's also my secret in trying different hotels. You might think, halo, kakat-kat, ano nila? Oh, yes, it's part of the kat-kat. Dili siya na ako na siya ikaliwod. But what's really important here is that at least my children have tried this. Here's Zyler. Please don't judge me if I allow my child to watch YouTube videos while eating or during our mealtime because of we wanted to enjoy the food and then that's the only option that I can have. And this is Yana and Daddy's swimming time. Ako wala na ako nag-swim. But ang kading swimming pool, this is free for, inclusive na siya when you check in diri sa Adelina Hotel and Suites. The pool is clean. They clean it every day. So, it's safe for kids. Ayan, macho kayo bana. But Yana really loves going to the beach and pool. So, di pa try yun na siya sa akong husband every time na ay available na pool sa hotel na amuhang stayhan. And Adelina Hotel and Suites, especially kay Doc K, she allowed us na mag-tour sa different rooms. And after our stay, right after we checked out from Adelina Hotel and Suites, we had our lunch here in Balud. Balud. Bawud di ay, Bawud. Sa Manoy. Diri ni siya sa Dahican. Lami kayo nilang food dire guys. And I like the vibes here. So, it's a beachside restaurant that offers really good food. My favorite here is the katong alige. I think that's spicy alige. So, if you dine in here, just ask them, unsa tong alige ninyo na na dish. Kaya mo dyan na pinakalami dire. If okay ka with seafood, of course. Yeah, and as you can see, this is a child-friendly restaurant because naa sila high chair and dili po siya ingon ana kaduol sa dagat kay medyo baktason pa. So dili ka mag-worry kung ang imuhang anak mo kalitlagdagan going to the shore kay layo-layo pa yang daganon bago dinhi. Pearl ba? And kani siya kay sa Blue Bless Resort, of course, kaysa ba ang wala nakabalo sa Blue Bless, 'di ba? Dugayan na nako wala nakabalik din hiyoy, but ayan, sa una dalaga pa
Okay, Kuya Miggy, where
Karon
are
na
we
yung
now?
mga chikitingan na
We are here in Blue Bless.
What are we going to do here?
After we eat, we can swim now.
Can swim? Who wants to swim? Why? How about you, Ate Yana? It's okay. You can swim. Naman imo ang swimsuit.
That is a swimsuit. I know it already.
Okay.
And then here's the clip that I'll just
Ate.
include. This was my birthday gift, February 3. First is greeted by my children, and then
Good morning, Zaire. Good morning, mga palangga. I love you both.
I love
a productive morning because I had a talk with the Davao digital influencers. I shared about how I became a mommy content creator.
And of course, everybody else here. Thank you. Anyway, let's go back to our topic. Siguro ang i-assign sa ko is niche. Tungkol sa ako pagkahimong mommy vlogger, mommy content creator, mommy blogger, mommy influencer, pero marag dili na ako makonsider myself as influencer. I'm more on content creator or UGC creator. User-generated content creator.
And then after that, I had lunch with friends and coffee right after.
Summary vlog lang yarn. Happy birthday!
Salamat po.
Ano masasabi mo? Birthday mo?
Double 3 on Feb 3rd. Charot. 33 na po. Charot.
Kisa ba nag-give ani?
And there you go. When I went home,
Daddy,
I was
di ay
surprised that my
Nag-give na ni
husband gave me
ni Mami
gifts.
She.
Flowers. Gave me flowers.
Okay, later.
Thank you so much for watching. I know
Thanks,
medyo
Daddy.
katagpan niya siya na vlog. But I appreciate you for watching until here. Until next videos. Bye!
Let's open this gift first. You open that gift, I'll open this gift.
Okay, go. This one is from Mommy She. Thank you so much, Mommy She.
I think it's for... what's this?
Kan jud siya nag-SM lang na today siya.
There's one more.
Oh!
Mommy, you got
Thanks,
this.
Mommy She. Oh my God, ka-cute. Ka-cute. Thanks, Mommy She. Eyelet. Eyelet na tawagan na, no? Oh. And then this one is from Shine Journal. How to be legendary. A goddess journal to finding your power.
Can I try?
Oh, wala ba po siya, te, oh. Cute. Cute kayo siya nga planner. Wala, para sa mga mahilig o planner. Thanks, Shine. Cute ka, ayo. Cute.
I want that. That's
Cute, no? Aphrodite. Cute. Thank you.
I'm gonna put it on right there, Mommy.
Yeah. Planner. Journal.
Yeah.